Hello to you, my people. Welcome back to Venvenmusic and Country Life. Now, today's herb is the white clover. You can take this time to click that subscription button below and leave this video a thumbs up so that the world will know of the great benefits derived from including the white clover in their diet. Now, the white clover is a creeping plant that's native to Europe and Central America and parts of the Caribbean, including Jamaica, my own island. The white flower carries a pinch of pink and attracts a large number of bees and other insects which aid in pollination, as well as the production of clover honey. Now, this plant is also high in protein, hence it is excellent for humans as well as animals. Including this herb in your diet does improve your blood circulation. This herb also carries natural depurative properties that purifies and detoxifies your blood. It also carries anti-inflammatory properties that naturally boost your immune system. It is excellent for fighting a common cold, a fever, and cough. Now, if you are struggling with dizziness, nausea, and a stomach upset that's caused from a simple cold, you should brew the white clover into a tea and enjoy to combat these problems. Now, if you are struggling with an eye infection, you can use the brewed tea and wash your eyes. And this is said to help to fight eye infections and improve your vision. Are you struggling with rheumatism and arthritis? Now, when you drink this brewed tea, it is said to help alleviate rheumatic pain, especially in the elderly. It is also said to lower inflammation. Now, if you're struggling with gout, osteoporosis, it can also help to fight those conditions. It carries natural cancer-fighting properties as well. If you're struggling with digestive issues and skin disorders, you should brew the white clover tea and enjoy the benefits. This herb can also be used to deworm the body. It is also excellent for your skin and promotes hair growth. Now, if you would like to enjoy the white clover in a stew, you should go ahead. It can also be steamed with other vegetables. Now, you can brew the white clover flower into a tea after you've harvested them and put them to dry or cool for 2 days in a cool place. Now, put them into a cup. You can use 1 tablespoon for 1 cup of water. Pour the hot water on it and allow it to steep for 5 to 7 minutes. You can add your glaze of honey and enjoy the benefit. Thank you so much for joining Venvenmusic and Country Live today. Remember, stay tuned, stay connected for another exciting, informative country life video.